Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Ranjana Gogoi, Associate Professor of Statistics, Gorgaon College. Today I am going to discuss on historical perspectives of quality control. This topic is taken from BSc CBCS 4th semester Statistics Honors and BSc non-CBCS 6th semester Statistics major courses under Dibrugarh University. Quality always has been an integral part of virtually all products and services. However, our awareness of its importance and the introduction of formal methods for quality control and improvement have been an evolutionary development. Until 1900, quality is largely determined by the efforts of an individual craftsman. This figure presents a timeline. This timeline is represented by this straight line of some of the important milestones in the evolutionary process of improvement of quality, which will be discussed in today's presentation one by one. Though the origin of quality of goods and services dates back to time immemorial, the concept of quality control goes back to the Middle Ages. The emergence of quality management has experienced various quality eras. Many renowned quality gurus had divided the chronological evolution of quality control in 6 phases. They are operator quality control, Foreman's quality control, inspection quality control, statistical quality control, total quality control, and Six Sigma methodology. Now, I am going to discuss all these phases one by one. The first one is operator quality control. The era of operator quality control dates back between the Middle Ages and the 1900s, when production was confined to an individual or a small group of individuals. The quality of the product was controlled by that individual or group. Then Foreman quality control is the second phase, evolved between early 1900s and 1920s. During that period, mass production occurred resulting from Industrial Revolution. The individuals worked in groups. The supervisors or foremen of the groups ensured the quality of the products and services. The leader of the group ensures the quality of the products and services. The next phase is inspection quality control. During 1920 and 1940, the size of the groups increased. It became impossible for foremen to supervise work groups and to ensure the quality of the product. So this called for setting product standards and required inspectors for each work group to check the quality of that product against those standards. This phase called inspection quality control. Then it is statistical quality control, lasted from 1940 to 1960. The period from 1940 to 1960 was classified as the SQC phase. SQC means statistical quality control. However, the history of modern SQC dates back to 1920. In 1920, AT&T Bell Laboratories formed a quality departments emphasizing quality, inspection, and taste and product reliability. In 1924, Dr. W.S. Heward of the Bell Telephone Laboratories laid the foundation for SQC by introducing famous statistical quality control subs. The area of SQC have been enriched by the work of numerous statisticians, quality philosophers, and researchers that include Dodge and Romick, Deming, Duran, Ishikawa, Philip Crosby, and so on. The era of SQC was followed by total quality control phase during 1970s. The quality gurus Deming, Juran, etc. gradually focused on managing quality. Quality is applied as a company's business strategy on the basis of the theory of continuous improvement and quality cycles. That is, small teams of employees to define and solve a quality or performance related problem. That was the underlying principles of TQC outlined by Kaori Ishikawa of Japan in 1968. Then US companies began importing both what Deming and Duran exported to Japan earlier and what Japanese quality philosophers had developed by the 1970s, such as total quality control and just-in-time manufacturing. The concept TQC that originated in Japan came to be known as TQM, Total Quality Management, in the Western world. This TQM and TQC are as considered integral part of SQC. What is total quality management? It defined as a customer-oriented process, aims for continuous improvement of business operations. It ensures that all allied works, particularly work of employees, are towards the common goals of improving product quality or service quality. Also, to enhance the production process. The emphasis is put on fact-based decision making using performance matrices to monitor progress. Then it is zero defects. The term zero defects was coined by Phillips Crosby in his 1979 book, Quality is Free. The concept of zero defects revolves around doing things right the first time and reducing the defects to zero. But reducing the number of defects to zero may not occur in practice. The notion of zero defects does not mean that no errors will take place. Rather, it emphasizes on the fact that everything possible has been done to eliminate the defects from occurring. Then Six Sigma methodology. This concept of Six Sigma was pioneered by Motorola, a US electronic giant, in the early 1980s. Six Sigma has its roots in the notion of zero defects. Six Sigma is defined as the improvement or design or redesign of business processes to exactly meet the customer's requirements. Six Sigma offer products which are 100% compliant to the customer specification, produced at minimum cost. It is a methodology that is well rooted in statistics. The objectives of Six Sigma is to reduce process output variation so that this will result in no more than 3.4 defective parts per million opportunities. Part per million opportunities, ppm. 3.4 defectives out of 10 lakhs opportunities. So it is very less defectives occur in this Six Sigma methodology. Since 1980, there has been a profound growth in the use of statistical methods for quality improvements in the United States as well as in Great Britain, European countries, along with the Far East countries like Japan, South Korea, China, etc. Because the top management and engineers worldwide realize that quality is the only key to gain competitive advantage in the world marketplace. So, this is the brief discussion on historical perspectives of techniques of quality improvement throughout the world. So, I conclude today's lecture here. Thank you.